have a friend who is a body remover. She works at the coroner's department, and she's used to seeing them on her end. You know, they just freeze to death in an alley, or they've had untreated hepatitis, and they just end up somewhere in a bag for her to take away. So we kind of got tired of that in Lane County. Here in Eugene, we lost 20 people last year, and that's completely preventable. I started with Occupy Eugene before it opened. We were doing planning in September, and then October 16th we actually opened the medical tent. We all put together just a basic first aid tent, and we realized that that wasn't acceptable, that there's just too many chronic illnesses that we had to deal with, and so we started setting it up more that the doctors are there and they're able to give prescriptions, and we have volunteer pharmacists who come by and help people with those prescriptions. A lot of these people, they have very serious conditions, but they survive by not complaining and not bringing attention to themselves, so they just don't get treatment, so they just don't survive, literally. I mean, we have a stellar staff, you know, people that are experts in their field, and I was the dummy that said, hey, why don't we have a clinic? And so I ended up being the clinic manager. But I love it. I mean, it's fantastic. So we've been providing consistent professional care every Sunday since February 5th, and everyone's got their certifications, and we see people through just as if there was single payer health care. They get their prescriptions for free, they get their doctor visit for free, they get their wounds treated for free, the medicine, we set them up with bandages, whatever they need, nutritional support, herbal support, whatever it is they need. If we don't have it, we figure out a way that they can get it. There's lots of resources in the community. I would say the one thing that I have learned about working with this population is people is people, and it is an honor to be able to serve. It is an honor to be in a position where you can help. It is our job as human beings. It makes me feel great to help, and all it takes is just a little wiggle for people. And I'm not going to my grave telling myself I did nothing for it. If I can do this, as small as it is, I've done something, and that makes me feel proud, and you know, that's the way I'm going to raise my grandchildren too.